Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing with some Colourpop products. I have the Aura and Out palette and also this cute little glitterly obsessed glitter. So that's what we're going to do today. Oh my god, hang on, I need to see. Oh gosh, okay. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with my P. Louise base. I feel good, like I'm playing with some colour that I feel like I haven't done for a long time. So I'm kind of nervous, but excited. I don't know, I've just been in such a rut with YouTube and filming. Like, I'm actually like pretty surprised that I'm out here actually filming at the moment. It's weird because I love YouTube so much, but I know that everyone goes through this, like even like at home in general life. Like, I don't know, it's where you love a TV show but some days you just cannot bring yourself to watch it or put it on. I don't know, you guys know what I mean and I know you understand. So anyway, so I've just primed my eyes and the palette we're playing with today is the Aura and Out, and it's really beautiful and you can see there's lots of nice greens and like, yeah. So should we do some ASMR with this thing, if it's gonna come off? Come on. Oh, here we go, ready? Anyway, let's go. Okay, so I feel like I kind of already know the vibe I'm gonna go for. I really like that white shade. I really want to do kind of like the green with the white. And then this thing here is a Glitterly Obsessed, and this is a body glitter, so you're technically not meant to use it on your eyes, but and it just looks so beautiful. It's called Glam Rock and it's just like such a stunning shade. So okay, one thing I want to say about this palette is I just wish there was one more matte green. There's actually only one matte green. Oh well, there's like this shade, but I wouldn't really call that like a matte, it's more like satin. But anyway, it's just me complaining. This palette is so gorgeous though, like I love it. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to take, I'm going to take Fresh Cut first, which is like that lime green in the middle. Just zoom you guys in a little bit. And I'm going to start by just kind of, I guess I'll put that like on the outer corner. I'm kind of just going to like, I'm happy with just like a hint of this colour, you know? So I'm just kind of going to leave it on the outer corner. But anyway, yeah, I feel like I've really been on the struggle bus lately. Like I had yesterday off work. It's after work now, which is why I'm so surprised that I'm filming. I'm like, it's been probably like a good 6 months since I filmed a video after work. I don't know, like usually now I just do it on my days off and pre-film lots, but yeah, I'm actually filming after work today, which is why I'm so surprised. But yeah, I feel like I've just really been on the struggle bus and I just don't know why. I'm gonna take that Vibes shade next. So there was a brush hair in my mouth, like how did that even get there? And I'm gonna like, yeah, put that one on next. And so I'm gonna blend it into this quite well and just leave like a hint of that shade and also use this like, to blend it out. But yeah, anyway, I don't know, I just feel like I've really been struggling to find the motivation to film, and like it's weird because good things have been happening and usually like if something good happens, it's a real big motivator to film. Like if a brand reaches out or something, and like a brand reached out last week, which I'm not going to talk about yet because I don't like to talk about brands until they're there in my hands, just in case something goes wrong, you know? But anyway, brand reached out and asked if I wanted to be on the PR list last week, and I was crying like it was a very big deal. And yeah, I don't know, like usually that kind of thing would get me straight off my bum and into the studio, and it just didn't, and I don't know why. I think I'm just kind of a bit, yeah, I don't know, just a bit tired at the moment. You guys know what it's like nearing the end of the year. I tell you what, next year is going to be so nice having those 2 days off a week. But yeah, I'm excited for like Vlogmas and stuff, so. And I really want to pre-film some stuff for December so that I'm not like super overwhelmed when it comes to Vlogmas. So I'm going to get onto that soon. So, alright, I'm just gonna like blend all of this now. But yeah, I don't know. I've just been, yeah, a bit like struggling to film, which is fine, it happens, and it's all good, you know? I need to start using my lip scrubs. I just forget. But yeah, we're almost at the end of the year. I'm very excited. I cannot wait for Christmas. Like, Christmas is my absolute favorite time of the year. I've almost finished all of my Christmas shopping. There's a little bit of money that I'm stressed about, just like until everything is bought for Christmas. I feel like I'm gonna stress even though I know I've got more money coming, but you know what I mean. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this Young Love shade and I'm just gonna tap it on with like a flat brush just to try and get like as much pigment as possible. That is a very nice white. So yeah, I'm kind of putting it like in the cut crease position, but without actually cutting my crease, you know? When I've got this packed on, I'm just going to go back and re-intensify those greens. So yeah, I'll just take a bit of that fresh cut shade first. Just because that white did eat up a lot of it. And then I just need a bit of a smaller brush. A bit of a smaller blendy one. And then I'm going to go back into the Vibes shade. This kind of reminds me of like 90s or something, you know, like I feel like it just looks a tiny bit muddy and it's upsetting me. Alright. I'm kind of scared to put the body glitter on my eyes, but what does it say? Warning, for body use only. Do I do it? Am I just asking for trouble? Is there glitter in here? Oh, there's one in here. Maybe I should use that one instead. Let's see how chunky it is. It's just such a pretty shade, like the glitterly obsessed one. It smells like schoolcraft. Like, you know, when you go to school and like, it is really cool though. I don't know. Let's try. I'll just put a small bit on, I guess. If I just put it like up there, it shouldn't matter too much because it's not near my lash. So I'll just tap it like along the top bit and then we'll put the other glitter down. Now I'm going to take the glitter out of the Colourpop palette and it's called Energized, I think. Energetic, sorry. And I'm going to use that one over the rest of it. And it's just like this really beautiful kind of like white. Okay, I feel like that looks quite cute. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my lashes and everything. Then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so here is the finished look. I really like the way it turned out. I was kind of doubting myself halfway through, and then when it's finished, I'm really happy with how it looks. But yeah, as for the palette, I love it. You guys know that I love all of Colourpop's releases, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what videos you want to see coming up and stuff. I feel like, yeah, I've been slacking. I mean, I've still been posting every day, but I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!